Well, they just spotted me, the squirrels off. One's gone run off. Little duck's come back into the pool. Oh, there's two squirrels together there. Georgia and ducks coming, have a look. While they're going over for the food. And then you've got the bigger ones down here. Oh yeah, I'll try and get over now. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the squirrels are scarping, look. The ducks are waddling up to get some food. They've had a dip. And the larger family of ducks are here in this corner. We'll see them here all grouped together, feeding on whatever's in the pool there at this end. Well, they're certainly coming on a bit now. Just look at them. Heads down, digging in. I think they're digging in the soil there. It must be. It's just submerged. Rooting all the soil out. And we got the younger ones over the other side there, feeding. That squirrel's still there. The other one's gone to the fence. Oh, it's run across now. The other one's gone over the fence there. Mother's looking at him, waiting for him to come back again. No doubt they probably will.